he is just...
He's funny.
Yeah, you know what? He's one of those guys that could have gone the other way.
Yeah.
But I love all his work as well.
Benedict, he's back, and he's, but Iron Man, but he was great in Due Date. And, but yeah, City Island is that's my new...
That's your pick.
It's awesome.
Of course, Bill's going to be in Treasure Island.
Guapo.
NFR, do you get to rodeo at all?
I've been there a couple times. Now that I'm getting old, I'm not that big.
May dagdag may post to. Video to eh, video. Yan, kuha lahat ng angle doon.
Show, and I'll go to Gillies and hang out.
Sir, baka gusto bumati, sir. Papunta tandok na naman to.
Tapos na yung Facebook na, yung YouTube naman daw ngayon.
YouTube mo.
Kaya hindi na raw uso ang
Going to Vegas.
At my age is cool. I like my age.
Sa Utah, yung mga ganyan, talaga Rocky Mountain.
Like we were talking about, the hangovers.
Bato, no?
Oh.
I mean, I make noises getting into bed now. I like to think I'm still attracted.
Pag nakita natin ang unang casino, half hour na lang tayo sa strip doon, ano?
Ha?
Pag nakita na, pag prima doon na tayo, half hour na lang tayo sa strip.
Yeah, malapit na doon.
Yeah.
I think yung prima donna malapit doon sa sa outlet. Prima donna.
Palagyan mo tayo yung bukas na ang
Oh, si Cheese.
Pwede naman na hintayin.
Cheese.
Kasi
Cheese,
ang
Gerald.
natin 11 or
Cheese.
nasa bang outlet? Bago sa prima donna.
Before prima donna, mag-walk around na.
Walk around na tayo, umaga pa.
Wala.
Yeah, para kapay-bay ba naman ng
Because we got a lot.
Mag-9 o'clock na eh.
Oh yeah, that's right. You graduated in '85. She was born in '85. I go, you have nothing in common. I go, well, let's say you